GlideX RV is your go-to channel for the latest reviews, specifications, and features of 2025 products. Our goal is to provide detailed analysis, performance breakdowns, and comparisons so you can choose the best products that suit your needs. Ford's range of Bronco SUV models offers plenty of off-road capability, but the Bronco Raptor takes things to the next level. Upgrades begin with the engine, where a 3.0-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 delivers an impressive 418 horsepower. The Bronco Raptor sits on massive 37-inch off-road tires, positioned wider than the standard Bronco, giving it a more aggressive stance. Broad fender flares cover the widened tracks, and a high-performance suspension system with Fox dampers ensures a smooth ride, whether you're crawling over rocks or blasting through the dunes. Skid plates provide extra protection for the undercarriage, making this SUV a true off-road beast. Despite its rugged nature, the Bronco Raptor is surprisingly livable on city streets, showcasing Ford's ability to balance extreme performance with everyday usability. However, all these upgrades come at a price. When compared to the much cheaper Ranger Raptor pickup, which shares the same engine but has smaller tires, less suspension travel, and lower ground clearance, the Bronco Raptor's premium pricing stands out. The Bronco Raptor's closest rival outside of Ford's lineup is the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 Final Edition. Jeep packs a powerful 470 horsepower Hemi V8 under the hood, offering a raw and old-school off-road experience. However, the Wrangler's driving dynamics on paved roads feel more truck-like and disconnected compared to the more refined Bronco Raptor. This makes the Bronco Raptor the more balanced choice between extreme off-road performance and daily driving comfort. As a testament to its capabilities, the Bronco Raptor has earned a spot on our editor's choice list for 2025. For this model year, the Bronco Raptor remains largely unchanged. Ford hasn't introduced a V8, but the twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 still delivers a respectable 418 horsepower. This engine pairs exclusively with a 10-speed automatic transmission and a sophisticated four-wheel drive system, which integrates Ford's GOAT, goes over any type of terrain, modes. The SUV's upgraded suspension and widened track provide enhanced high-speed stability, making it one of the most capable off-roaders in its class. While the Bronco Raptor's twin-turbo V6 doesn't deliver the same brute force as the F-150 Raptor's 3.5-liter engine, it's still quick. In performance testing, the Bronco Raptor hit 60 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds, a solid time for a heavy-duty off-roader. Inside, the Bronco Raptor retains the same rugged yet functional design as the standard Bronco. It comes with rubberized flooring, marine-grade vinyl upholstery, and an overhead panel with auxiliary switches. For those looking for a touch of luxury, leather-trimmed seats are available as an option. Like the regular Bronco, the Raptor features removable body panels and frameless doors that are easy to detach. Even with the doors removed, the side mirrors remain functional as they are mounted at the base of the windshield. The dashboard is designed with practicality in mind, featuring a built-in rack for mounting smartphones and GoPros, which can be conveniently powered using nearby 12-volt outlets. With all these capabilities and premium features, the 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor comes with a hefty starting price of $91,930. However, for off-road enthusiasts looking for a high-performance SUV that blends capability, durability, and modern engineering, the Bronco Raptor remains a top-tier choice. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to GlideX RV for more in-depth reviews, specs, and feature breakdowns of the latest vehicles and tech products in 2025. Let us know in the comments what products you'd like us to review next. Stay tuned for more exciting content.